Hello, welcome back again. Today I'm going to show you the setup for a composite filling for a class 2 cavity preparation. Alright, so on your tray, if you're a dental assistant, a dental nurse, on your tray you need to set up these hand instruments and other things for your dentist. Okay, so these are the ones that you need to put on your trays. So you have here your mouth mirror, and you have your probe. In the probe you can either put an explorer, which is this one here, or a straight probe, this one here. Okay, so it's either a straight probe or an explorer. Okay, don't put them both. Alright, so on this setup, let us use a straight probe. We're gonna remove the explorer. Okay, so start again. Mouth mirror, straight probe, a spoon excavator. This is a small size. It has a double end. Okay, some dentists might not need it, but just in case, just put them there. And this is your flat plastic. This is to pick up the composite. Okay, and your ball burnisher. It has a bigger end and a smaller end. And you have your college tweezer or cotton plier. Okay, you also need to add a hand pieces. This is the fast hand piece or the high speed, and this is your slow hand piece or conventional hand piece, and this is your 3-in-1 tip. Okay, if the tooth is vital, your clinician will need anesthetic. Okay, so you need to set up a syringe, dental syringe, your anesthetic, your needle. So needle comes in different sizes. It's either a size 30 or size 27 gauge. Okay, you just need to ask your dentist which one they like. And you also probably need to add a numbing gel or a topical gel just to numb the gum superficially before they will use the injection. Okay, now remember, this is a class 2 cavity preparation, so you need to give also a retainer band. So in a class 2 cavity preparation, it's either again, it all depends on the dentist's preference. Would they prefer a Toffelmeier? So this is a Toffelmeier. If you don't know how to set up a Toffelmeier, I made a video on that. You can find that on my channel. And some they prefer a Sigvilland retainer. So this is a Sigvilland retainer. Again, I have a video on how to set a Sigvilland retainer, how to assemble it. Okay, find that again on my channel. Some they use sectional matrix. This is how a sectional matrix looks like. If your dentist uses a sectional matrix, then you have to provide them the clamp and the holder for this sectional matrix. At the moment I don't have the clamp and the forceps or the holder for the sectional matrix, but I'm just giving you an idea how a sectional matrix looks like. Okay, so in assisting your dentist, you just need to be very observant on what your dentist really need. Some they don't need a spoon excavator. Instead, they will use a slow hand piece to remove some decays in the cavity. Some they just used excavator. Okay, so these are the things that you need to set up on your tray. So this is a class 2 cavity preparation. Okay, so don't forget your retainer bands. So it's either a Toffelmeyer, a Sigveland, or a sectional matrix. Okay, now these are for your dentist side, and if you are a dental nurse or assistant, you need to set up the accessories, whatever you call it, that your dentist need for this composite filling. Okay, so these are the ones that you need to set up on your side. So you need to set up a microbrushes, and then your etch and composite. Composite comes in different brands and in different shades. In how will you know the shade of your composite? It says here on this one here. Different practices, different surgeries uses different kinds of composites, but composites will look like this, or sometimes they're in a compule, but I don't have the compule. And you need to prepare your adhesive or your bond, your primer, your articulating paper to check the bite, and also this is your mixing pad where you will put your composite, and your burrs. You need to prepare the burrs for your dentist. Burrs comes in different sizes and shapes, so your dentist or your clinician will choose which one they like. And you need to prepare your light curing machine as well. So okay, this is a light curing machine. So that is the setup for a composite filling class 2 cavity preparation. Okay, so if you have any questions, write them on the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer your queries. Hope you learned from this video. Thank you so much, and see you next time.